Now we all know that Dmitry Bivol has incredible footwork. We've heard of the pendulum step, we all know of the Soviet style, but most people think that footwork is based on how fast you can step out of range and step back into range. However, footwork affects your balance, your transfer of weight when you're attacking, your transfer of weight when you're defending. It's going to affect whether you're reaching and leaning on your punches. Boxing starts at the feet. I'm going to explain to you why Dmitry Bivol's footwork fixes every problem in boxing. Stay tuned. Everything starts with balance. If your feet aren't underneath you, nothing else works. You can't punch efficiently, you can't defend efficiently, you can't change direction quickly, you can't recover after you throw. Think about what happens after you lose balance. Your weight falls forwards. Your head moves past your feet. Now you can't slip. You can't pivot. You can't throw another punch. You've committed your whole body to one movement. Bivol almost never finds himself in this position because every step keeps him balanced. His feet create balance, and his balance gives him freedom. Every powerful punch starts on the floor. Power isn't created by your arms. Your feet push into the floor. That force travels through your legs, into your hips, through your shoulders, and finally into your fist. If your feet are out of position, the entire chain breaks. That's why Bivol constantly adjusts his feet before he punches. He's not just moving closer. He's putting his entire body into the best position to transfer force. His footwork creates power. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is reaching. Most people think reaching is an arm problem, but it isn't. It's a footwork problem. If your feet don't move into range, your hands have to. That's when you lean. Your head moves forward. Your rear foot becomes light. Your balance disappears. Recovery becomes slower. Your opponent sees the punch earlier, and now you're wide open for the counter. Bivol barely reaches because his feet take him into range before his hands ever throw. Good defense starts before the punch is even thrown. If you're standing too close, there's no room to slip. There's no room to roll. There's no room to step away. If you're standing too far away, every punch becomes a reach. Bivol constantly adjusts his feet until he finds the perfect distance. Close enough to land, far enough to defend. He controls the distance, which means he controls the fight. This is something people rarely talk about. Footwork isn't about doing more, it's about wasting less. Every unnecessary movement costs energy. Every extra step delays your next attack. Every poor position makes you work harder than you need to. Bivol doesn't look like he's moving fast. He looks effortless. That's because his feet eliminate wasted movement. Everything is efficient. Footwork also controls rhythm. Most people think rhythm means moving quickly. It doesn't. Rhythm is controlling when you move. Sometimes Bivol pauses. Sometimes he glides. Sometimes he explodes. Sometimes he barely moves at all. Because he changes rhythm with his feet. His opponents can never settle into theirs. They're always reacting. He's always leading. Great boxers don't just throw punches, they create opportunities. A 6-inch adjustment with your feet changes everything. It changes the angle. It changes the distance. It changes where your opponent has to defend. It changes the punches that become available. Bivol's footwork isn't just to look impressive. It's there to make every punch easier to land. His feet create openings before his hands take advantage of them. This is why I say footwork fixes everything. It improves your balance. It improves your weight transfer. It creates more power. It stops you reaching. It becomes your defense. It controls distance. It controls rhythm. It creates openings. It makes every movement more efficient. If you fix your feet, almost everything else in your boxing improves. This is why Dmitry Bivol isn't just a great mover, he's a great boxer, because everything he does starts with his feet. If this video positively changed your outlook in boxing and footwork, then comment below. If you made it to the end of this video, then comment a boxing emoji below. And if you love this video, then be sure to like it, comment, share and subscribe for future content. And if you're in the Forest Gate, London area, then be sure to drop in so I can teach you these real boxing skills. Not just punching, footwork. I will see you soon.